Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics so fixes work. Open Stremio, confirm the app is current, and load the problematic video. Check the file's frame rate and running time because subtitles shift when frame rates differ. Note values like 23, 976 versus 25. Once done, enable Stremio's internal subtitle renderer and disable any external subtitle plugins to avoid conflicts. Make sure the subtitle file encoding and language match the media. These initial checks eliminate most. You now correct timing by applying an offset or resync. While the video plays, use the subtitle offset control to nudge text earlier or later. Small 300-700 ms moves are common. If Stremio lacks a slider, reload and edit it. SRT saved in UTF-8 so the app recognizes timestamps correctly. For drifting subtitles that start synced but diverge, compute a rate correction and adjust timestamps in a subtitle editor using a ms/min multiplier. This fixes progressive desynchronization across the whole movie. You finish by verifying sync across the whole video. Play and check at the beginning, midpoint, and end. If timing is consistent, save the corrected. SRT and pair it for future plays. If issues persist, switch to a different subtitle file or re-rip the media at a standard frame rate. Sometimes container mismatches cause delay. As a final troubleshooting tip, restart Stremio and the device and clear the app cache. If that fails, gather logs before seeking advanced help so you can show exact symptoms and timestamps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.